Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by finding the physical tag. This is the fastest way. Turn the laptop over, and if the battery is removable, take it out. Look under the battery compartment for a sticker. On desktops, inspect the rear and side panels or front bezel. Once done, note the 7-character service tag or the 5-digit express service code. These identify the exact configuration and warranty, which is why you need them before moving to online tools or support. Once you have the device, use firmware and built-in tools to confirm the tag. Reboot and press F2 or F12 to open BIOS/UEFI. There you'll see the service tag and model. This avoids reading worn stickers. In Windows, run Dell Support Assist or open a command prompt and type wmic BIOS get serial number to fetch the tag. If the OS won't boot, make sure to note the express service code from the sticker and use Dell's support site. You finish by deciding which is better, service tag versus model name. Use the service tag to pull full specs, warranty, and original configuration. This is more precise than a model name alone. If tags are faded, locate the model code on the bezel or system label and cross-check it with the tag results. If you can't read a sticker, try shining a phone flashlight at an angle or snapping a high-resolution photo and zooming in. This simple trick often reveals worn characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.